Hello there, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today we have been back down to the hill, Dickinson Stadium on the Bramley-moore dock, the new home of Everton Football Club. The reason we've come back down here today is because I've seen a few posts on social media saying that the Everton Way had been completed, it's finished. So we've come down to take a look at that and also take a look at the new crest that's been erected onto the side of the east stand. So we're going to take a look at that as well. So this was filmed on the 8th of July, around about 7:30 in the evening. There is some roadworks going on outside the stand. I'm not sure whether that's got anything to do with the stadium or anything like that. Maybe getting ready for the new season, but we'll take a look at that a bit later on in this video. So here we go, Everton Way. Last time we come down, just over a week ago now, they were still doing bits and getting it finished. It does look like there's a few bricks missing on the actual Everton wording. To me, we'll take a close look at that now as we get around. As you can probably tell, and now I've got the hang a bit more of zooming in without the harsh change in camera shots. Nearly exactly a calendar month till the final test game, which is of course on the 9th of August. It's fast approaching. Mad to think that this actually opens properly next month. There'll be competitive football being played. See, look on the V there. It does look like it's not quite finished, but it is almost there. Yeah, competitive football will be getting played in this stadium next month. Crazy to say that. 3 years of covering this, nearly 3 years, and we're almost there. Just going to get a bit higher and try and take a better look at this. It doesn't look like it is actually completed, does it? Well, it doesn't to me. See that fee, and then I think there's a bit on the O as well. What a spectacle! What a spectacle it's turned into. Hoping to be there on the final test game. I can't say too much, but we might have something special on that day. I'm just actually waiting for it to be confirmed by Everton, and then I will we'll let you know what that's all about. But it is almost confirmed. So that is where Everton Way is up to. Now we're just going to fly back around and take a look at the crest is being erected, and it looks like on this corner another crest is going to be put up. Just look on the wheel zooming on the where we're talking about now. Here we go. So I think another crest is going to be going there as well. But we will take a look at the other one. It's on the opposite end of the stand. See that cherry picker to the left? Obviously, that's going to be putting the other crest up. One can only assume. Here we go. So we'll just zoom in on this now. Here we go. Finally, a bit of Brandon on the stadium. When I went to the second test event, that's what I did notice. There was no real Brandon on the stadium. Obviously, you've got the Hill Dickinson sign on the roof, which, looking back in hindsight, I probably should have took a look at that while I was there. But hindsight is a wonderful thing. Oh well. So here's this roadworks that are happening just directly outside the ground at the moment. They've redone the bike lanes and that side pavement, and they're now working on the road as well. Nice and smooth for the new opening. Oh, so there we go. That's how the one crest up. The other one, I'm guessing, will be going up tomorrow. And I just thought while we were here and in this particular position, I couldn't get down to where they usually take off because the road was shut. And we have took this shot before, but I just thought the sun was setting, and it might just be a nice little shot to get of the River Mersey glistening on the reflection of these panels on the north stand. Just get a bit higher and give you the full experience of that. Always looks magical for me. It's great. That is how we're doing on the 8th of July at Hill Dickinson Stadium. And we will see you on the next one. Take care. Goodbye.